Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can solve a merge conflict in Pycharm. A merge conflict occurs when you have local changes that conflict with changes in the remote repository. So for example, now in line 21 I changed count column to 1 instead of 0, and in my remote repository I'm going to change 0 to 2. And then I'm committing it in the remote repository. Next we are going back to our local change. When we now try to push the changes to the remote repository, we will get a conflict. Next I'm adding my change and committing it. And then push it. And first it will say that we can't push to the remote repository because we have changes in the remote one. So first we have to do git pull. And now it tells me that we have a merge conflict. To solve it, go to git and then click on merge, and then again click on git and on merge and choose resolve conflicts. Click on merge. On the left side you can see the changes we made locally. In the middle you can see how the file looked like before we made changes. And on the right side you can see the changes we have made in the remote repository. Now you can decide which change you want to pick. If you want to add the left change, click on the arrows. And if you also want to add the changes we made on the remote repository, you can also click on the arrows and see it adds it below. And if you want to discard the ones on the right side, click on the X. When you are done with merging, click on Apply and then on Apply Changes and mark Resolved. Next we have to commit our changes with git commit and then solve conflict. And then git push and then enter the credentials. And then you're done with the merge. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye!